Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Imagine a home that is a perfect, tranquil escape from the chaos of the outside world. A place where every element is intentional, every line is clean, and nature is an honored guest. We're not talking about a distant dream, we're talking about the revolutionary beauty of modern Japanese house design. Today, we're diving deep into the philosophy, the benefits, and the absolute best design secrets of Japan's most stunning homes. And for the grand finale, we're counting down the top 10 modern Japanese house design ideas you need to see. Trust me, you'll want to take notes, especially on number 4. So, what is the true meaning of modern Japanese house design? At its core, it's a harmonious blend of traditional Japanese aesthetics, like the wabi-sabi philosophy, finding beauty in imperfection, and the clean, functional simplicity of modern and minimalist architecture. It moves beyond the traditional shoji screens and tatami mats to embrace an elegant, contemporary version of those principles. The focus is deeply rooted in functionality, natural light, and a seamless connection to the natural world, often achieved through the careful use of natural materials like wood, bamboo, and stone, combined with modern elements like concrete, steel, and expansive glass. A modern Japanese house isn't just a structure, it's a calm, contemplative sanctuary that prioritizes the well-being of its occupants. The benefits of adopting this design philosophy are immense, far beyond just aesthetics. Firstly, the emphasis on minimalism and clean lines naturally creates a less cluttered environment, which is proven to reduce stress and promote mental clarity, a true Zen effect. Secondly, its focus on maximizing natural light and airflow improves the quality of indoor air and reduces energy consumption, making the homes both healthier and more sustainable. Furthermore, the intelligent use of space, often necessary in dense urban areas like Tokyo, results in highly functional and flexible layouts, proving that you don't need a huge footprint to live large. Finally, the integration of durable, natural materials ensures a home that is not only beautiful today but one that will age gracefully, honoring the Japanese appreciation for longevity and quality craftsmanship. To make your modern Japanese house exterior look absolutely stunning, remember the key principle: simplicity is sophistication. Start by focusing on the materials. The exterior should feature a restrained palette, often blending stark materials like smooth concrete with the warmth of natural wood cladding. Think of the dramatic contrast of shou sugi ban, or burnt cedar, against a crisp white or light gray wall. Eliminate unnecessary ornamentation. Instead, let the architecture speak for itself through clean geometric lines and cantilevered roofs that create deep shadows. Landscaping is your primary decoration. Incorporate minimalist rock gardens, strategically place low-maintenance plants like bamboo or Japanese maples, and clean-lined stepping stones. Finally, use lighting to highlight architectural features, not overwhelm them. Think subtle, recessed fixtures or linear sconces that cast a soft, welcoming glow. Now for the main event. Here are the top 10 modern Japanese house design ideas we know you'll love. 10. The charred cedar contrast facade. This striking exterior showcases the powerful use of contrasting textures and materials. The large sections are clad in dark, textured wood, likely shou sugi ban, burnt cedar, which provides both durability and a deep, charcoal aesthetic. This dark element is expertly juxtaposed against a smooth, clean white painted wall, creating a bold, graphic division. Minimalist vertical windows punctuate the white section, while the dark section appears monolithic. The landscaping is understated, featuring a low, manicured hedge and clean concrete or paved ground, maintaining the overall philosophy of visual calm and restraint. 9. The Urban Light Well Oasis. This incredible interior highlights the Japanese mastery of maximizing light and space in dense urban environments. The home features a massive, multi-story void, a light well, with bright white walls that reflect and multiply the natural light pouring in from above. A simple, floating wooden staircase with a sleek metal railing spirals up through the center, acting as a sculptural centerpiece. The wood-planked floor adds warmth to the otherwise stark white space. The feeling is one of vast, vertical openness, proving that even a narrow city plot can feel expansive and airy. 8. The flat roof glass pavilion. A perfect example of modern integration with nature, this house features a signature flat roof with clean, strong lines. The main living level is almost entirely encased in floor-to-ceiling glass, blurring the boundary between indoor and outdoor living. The facade uses a combination of two key materials, a warm, light-toned wood cladding and a dark, solid panel, likely metal or dark stone, grounding the structure. The design emphasizes horizontal planes and transparency, allowing the surrounding greenery to become the living artwork for the interior spaces. 7. The concrete and wood entry sanctuary. This is an elegant illustration of the tectonic honesty often found in modern Japanese design. The walls are finished in raw, subtly textured concrete, providing a quiet, cool, and robust backdrop. The focal point is a massive, full-height door made of a rich, warm-toned wood, adding a natural touch that contrasts beautifully with the concrete. The floor is also concrete, giving the space a seamless, monolithic feel, which is softly lit by hidden, recessed lighting. This entryway acts as a Ginkan-inspired transition zone, a space of calm reflection before entering the main living areas. 6. The slatted privacy screen. Ideal for an urban setting, this exterior demonstrates how to achieve privacy without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. A tall, continuous screen of vertical wooden slats runs along the perimeter, shielding the home from the street while allowing filtered light and air to pass through. The house itself features a restrained facade, possibly in a light gray or off-white stucco, recessed behind the screen. This slatted design maintains a warm, organic feel while creating a subtle sense of mystery and absolute tranquility for the inhabitants inside. 5. The indoor-outdoor connection. This light-filled interior epitomizes the connection to nature. The room is characterized by smooth, polished wooden flooring and minimalist furniture. The defining feature is a massive sliding glass door that, when opened, fully recesses or slides away, creating a near-seamless transition onto an exterior deck or yard. The simple palette is dominated by warm wood, white walls, and the vibrant green view outside. The design philosophy here is that the outdoors is a vital extension of the living space, making the entire home feel larger and more refreshing. 4. The geometric concrete fortress. This is the one I told you about. This design is a bold, sculptural statement. The exterior is defined by sharp, angular lines and geometric volumes clad in a mix of smooth concrete and dark, uniform paneling. It sits on a sloped or uneven landscape, showcasing its modern, almost brutalist strength. The structure uses strategically placed windows, not massive walls of glass, but carefully framed openings that intentionally curate views of the surrounding natural environment, making the home feel like a modern, protective shell that still intimately engages with its surroundings. 3. The framed garden view. A stunning example of Zen influence, this interior is all about the view. The room features a simple, low-profile wooden bench and a clean, light-colored floor, keeping the foreground minimal. The back wall is almost entirely dedicated to a large, rectangular window that perfectly frames a small, contemplative garden or natural element outside. The window itself acts like a piece of living art. The simplicity of the interior materials, the wood and the neutral wall, is a deliberate choice to ensure nothing distracts from the serene connection to nature. 2. The tiered wood and concrete abstraction. This multi-level exterior masterfully combines concrete's solidity with wood's warmth. The structure is built with a complex, tiered design, using different levels and setbacks to break up the mass. One section is finished in raw, solid concrete, providing a robust base, while other sections are covered in clean, vertical wooden planks. The entrance features a unique, sheltered approach, possibly a small stairwell or a recessed doorway, enhancing the sense of privacy and separation from the public street. 1. The vaulted wood-lined sanctuary. Taking the top spot, this interior showcases a beautiful open-plan living and dining area with an extraordinary vaulted ceiling completely lined in warm, natural wood. This wooden ceiling contrasts beautifully with the clean, bright white walls, creating a cozy yet expansive atmosphere. The room is minimalist, featuring a simple, low-slung sofa and a clean-lined dining table. Large, high windows are strategically placed to flood the space with soft, indirect natural light, making this a warm, serene, and unforgettable design that perfectly balances minimalism with natural texture. What truly sets modern Japanese house design apart is its dedication to creating a life-affirming space. It proves that luxury isn't found in excess, but in the intelligent use of space, the quality of light, and the simple elegance of natural materials. These homes are more than structures. They are reflections of a lifestyle built on tranquility, respect for nature, and a profound appreciation for beautiful simplicity. Whether you're building new or simply looking to declutter, the principles of Japanese architecture offer a blueprint for a calmer, more beautiful life. We hope these 10 designs have given you the inspiration to find your own piece of Zen. If you loved this architectural journey, hit that like button and let us know in the comments which one of these designs was your absolute favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more revolutionary home tours and cutting-edge design ideas every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.